Volvo S60, if I remember right. No, sorry, S80. So, let's call it a little mobile job for a friend of mine. And basically, the problem is that he released the handbrake, and the handbrake didn't actually release. You can look at the street here. He scraped the tarmac with the back wheel only because the handbrake didn't release. He didn't release because the splines on the motor disintegrated. Well, they're rotten away. They're rotten away because the seal that's around, well, is non-existent. Water obviously went inside and damaged the metal cog. And I don't know if you can see. You probably can't because I didn't turn the light on. But you can see that there are splines inside. And now, obviously, the disc is locked. So what we need to do is, I think it's what is it? T30? If I put T30, no, it ain't. It's big. T40? You know, when you have to do everything with one hand, it's a bit awkward. Oh no, that also doesn't work. Ew. So it's not Torx, we're gonna use something else. We're gonna use maybe multi-spline, a little bit little one, smaller one. Will that go in there? Oh yes! So now, where is my 10? 10. I had my 10, I'll put it back. Precious 10. So if you turn this anti-clockwise, it went easy now, and I should be able to turn the disc. Obviously I've removed it from the okay, yeah. So you turn that all the way in. So when you look from the front of the caliper, like here, you turn that way, so anti-clockwise. It got to max, yeah, it locked, yeah, that's it. Now you can take that out and should be able to move the caliper, come out, caliper. There you go. And in my opinion, honest opinion, this guy needs a new caliper. Well, what happened? Okay, camera dirty. Oh yeah. Basically, there are no splines. There is no spline at all. Just like there is no splines on this either. So this guy needs new caliper. So we need to order a new caliper, new motor, and fit it, and should be fine. So welcome to another day in which I managed to get. Yesterday I've ordered the caliper, so today it's time for fitment. Obviously double check before fitting that the caliper is correct. Make sure that the bleeding nipple, which is at the top here, is at the top, otherwise you won't bleed the brakes. And one more thing I want to do, I'll remove the motor now and add grease to the point that you've seen yesterday, the part that was worn badly. So I'll get that sorted right now. And there you go. The reason why these fail is because they are fitted dry. I can't see any grease, can you? Maybe a drop of oil, but that's it. So now if I'll put grease on there and on the O-ring, tiny up, now even if there is a little bit of water after a year or something, this ain't gonna corrode because grease is not gonna disappear. So that's what I would suggest for you to do. And caliper change is very simple. You can go and look up my other videos, so you'll see. But this is important, so make sure you add grease. So I took the other side apart, and if you look, you see it already started to corrode. Same with motor, so I think I just caught it in time. So now if I lube it up, clean it, lube it up, it will stay for a while, but you can see which way the corrosion was sort of getting in. So we need to remove it and clean it. Okay, so that's the other side. Everything is lubed nicely, so that should prevent corrosion for a bit now.